So for women to be more successful in their careers, for them to take the place at the table along with the men, to my mind, it's really important that they are given opportunities to prove their capabilities, opportunities to learn and to be as good as men. They need to be given opportunities to be seen, to be visible, to be recognized for what they're worth, and they need and there is a need for the rest of the world, for the men to recognize that women are as good and they need to get their opportunities and be put out there.